Some attorneys and judges who oppose President Donald Trump's handling of the legal system are speaking out now after claims that the president is retaliating against lawyers who don't support his administration. A group of Maine attorneys gathering today in Portland, encouraging their peers to demand that the president respect the judiciary as a separate but equal branch of the government. News Center Maine's Raya Wooten has the story.
Under President Donald Trump, judges who rule against the administration sometimes end up in the president's crosshairs.
What's at risk here?
What's at risk here are some fundamental values that all of us attorneys hold near and dear, starting with the rule of law and separation of powers.
More than 240 Maine attorneys, including former attorneys general and state Supreme Court judges, are uniting to send a message to legal organizations, encouraging them to stand up to the administration.
Delighted to be here this afternoon.
In a news conference Monday, the group claimed that the president has been ignoring judicial orders and advocating for the impeachment of judges who rule against him. That includes Judge James Boasberg, who is the chief judge on the Washington, D.C. District Court. Boasberg ruled against Trump's deportation of alleged Venezuelan gang members, and he's now overseeing other cases involving the administration. Lawyers speaking out against the president Monday say Trump's actions against the legal system are a danger to democracy.
Attacks on judges and lawyers targeted to prevent the rule of law from being applied is exactly how you start down the road to authoritarianism.
President Trump has taken action against multiple law firms, some of which he says have been weaponized against him in the past, saying he'll suspend their security clearances and limit their access to federal buildings. At least two major law firms caved to the president's demands, entering agreements to offer millions of dollars of pro bono help to the White House. Senator Angus King calls the president's attacks on judges egregious, and Senator Susan Collins says the independence of the judiciary is key to our government's system of checks and balances. Some legal experts say the Trump administration's attacks on the legal system could amount to a constitutional crisis.
Yeah, we're in a crisis situation, and I think what we understand is our judicial system doesn't respond in real time to some of the changes and the positions taken by the Trump administration.
The Associated Press reports that dozens of lawsuits have been filed against President Donald Trump, challenging his executive orders and actions taken by his administration.
Do not obey in advance. Do not try to make a bargain with someone who wants to take away the rights of others, because they'll come back and ask to take away your rights.
In Portland, Raya Wooten, News Center Maine.